Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about MongoDB and we'll start from basic and we'll move to advanced concepts of it. And here we are going to do it from scratch. We'll first install MongoDB and then we'll gradually move towards writing queries, inserting objects and so on. So yeah, let's get started. So this is MongoDB site. From here we can log in order to create MongoDB URL and then use it in our projects or in our system. We have to first log into MongoDB and get ourselves registered. So let's have a quick look on it. So here is a form. We need to fill this out. So here we are going to select the free model. So yeah, free AWS. It will select the region from here. Now name of the cluster, let's keep it Witty coder. Okay. Now, okay, let's create this now. So now it's asking to set a username and password for same. So let's take the default ones that we have. Okay, or instead just keep it. So yeah, now after setting it all, this window comes up. Here we have to select what we want to do. If you want to use it for your project, we can simply click on add data and start moving, or you can use data modeling templates. But as we are learning MongoDB here, so let's move with load sample data and configure this. So it will take some time and then we will start with our queries and all. So now let's click on connect and let's connect to the database itself. So we'll be using shell. Okay, so let's give a try. Okay, so here is a setup. Now you can choose your operating system accordingly and install MongoDB in your system. I have it installed in my system, so we'll start coding now. Now let's check if we have it installed properly. So yeah, it's installed. We'll move on. To connect the string, let's paste this. Now we have logged in, like we have connected the MongoDB to our system. Now let's check. Let's have help first and see what are the commands that we are going to use. So we can use show to check the databases. So let's try. So here all the sample data that we have loaded, like on the web page, it is now loaded and we can see like 52 MB of Airbnb and so on. We have all this thing installed here. So yeah, now let's get started with the queries.